Today we're going to be looking at this exterior light sent in to me for free to review and give my honest opinion. And if you guys happen to buy after watching this video, I do get a small commission. So this is the light. It has a photo sensor, as you can see there. And one of the things that I really like about this light is that it actually has a hidden or covered outlet, as you can see there. Let me plug this in and see how it works. All right, so for testing purposes, I plugged it in to see how it works. As you can see, the light is off now. I'm going to walk in front of the sensor and you should see the light turning on. And there we go. So it will stay on for about 30 seconds, 25, 30 seconds, and then it will turn off again. All right, so I decided to install this light outside in the back of the house, the side of the house. And it's great because this area is pretty dark at night. So in case we have someone walking by here, automatically this light will turn on. So it's perfect, it looks good. And it's really good quality from what I could tell. And plus, one more thing I wanted to mention with this light is that I always have the option to plug anything into here. A GFCI outlet with two plugs in them. So it's perfect.